This how to 1 minute will show you how to clean up your WordPress media library. If you have uploaded lots of photos, videos, files to your media library and now you want to delete unwanted files from your media library to free up your WordPress storage, follow these easy steps to do it. In order to clear our media library, we need to use a plugin. To install the plugin, come to this plugin section and click on Add New Plugin. In the Search Plugins box, type here Media Cleaner and search for it. And this is the actual plugin we are going to use. So install and activate this Media Cleaner plugin. Once the plugin activated, to this left-hand menu, here you will get this Muse option. So hover over on it and click on Media Cleaner. And here in this scanning section, make sure to enable content check, and you can only scan or filter image by checking this option. And go to this advanced section, and here you can hide thumbnails. You can skip trash, your media library trash, by checking this box, and customize these plugins from here. Once done, now go to your media section again and click on Cleaner. And here all you have to need, just select here media library and click on Scan. And it may take some time to completely scan your media library. Once it's successfully scanned, here you will get the list of all unwanted photos, videos or files that you uploaded to your WordPress media library. Then you will be able to easily delete them from your media library to free up your WordPress storage. So this is how we can free up our WordPress media library. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.